Hey, in this video, we're going to talk about 10 easy ways to make money with ChatGPT. Before starting this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future updates. Let's get started. Making money by speaking with others is possible with ChatGPT, a very potent tool. It sounds plausible, doesn't it? ChatGPT unquestionably allows you to make money. Given recent technological advancements, many individuals are concerned that AI may take their jobs. Robots, other software, and technologies are being developed today to mimic human abilities. ChatGPT is a brand new AI invention that can perform a ton of things, like answering inquiries and developing easy-to-use software applications that can take the place of human work, and has completely taken over the internet community. The wonderful thing about ChatGPT, which has just become popular, is that it is currently free to use. Why not discover how to make money with ChatGPT? There are numerous ways that individuals are generating money with ChatGPT. It is the best strategy that is highly advised. Also now, gig workers can make money using ChatGPT. Number 1. Earn money as a blogger. Gig workers can earn money blogging, engaging in other SEO strategies, and ranking highly on Google to attract visitors that will enable them to monetize their content through advertising, sponsored content, and other means. A lot of platforms will allow you to set up a blog for free, and they're super easy to use. If you're just wanting to blog casually at first, this could suit you well. But free blogging platforms can be very limiting. You'll only be able to customize to a limited extent, and your blog will have a storage limit, which could make it harder to upload large videos and images. Most free blogging platforms also don't allow you to place banner adverts or affiliate links on your site, which are key revenue streams for most bloggers. However, if these things don't bother you, here's a quick rundown of the best free online blogging platforms. Number 2. Earn money as a freelancer by using ChatGPT. Because ChatGPT makes it quick and easy to create and distribute content to clients, it will enable freelancers to earn more money than they ever have. The fourth industrial revolution is here, and a better way of describing is bridging the divide between the physical, digital, and biological worlds. Artificial intelligence, AI, has been around for quite some time now. From quick suggestions on search engines and autofocus in smartphones to social media suggestions and vehicle cruise control, AI is increasingly becoming a part of our day-to-day lives, and it's something we should get used to. There are many AI inventions since the start of the fourth revolution, and one of which will be described in this article is ChatGPT. Number 3. YouTube automation. ChatGPT can write video scripts that will receive a ton of views in any area as part of its YouTube automation service. People that utilize YouTube advertising to market their products can also employ this technique. YouTube advertising is quite effective and can generate a lot of revenue. Automation can range from putting your channel on autopilot with outsourcing and legitimate use of software to shady tactics that violate YouTube's terms of service and may even get your account banned. Let's break down what each of these means in more detail, as well as go into YouTube's terms of service to see what is and isn't allowed. Number 4. For affiliate marketing, use ChatGPT. The best way to make money is through affiliate marketing, which is also one of the simplest internet companies to launch. In any niche, ChatGPT will provide the content for you, so that software can simplify the life of affiliate marketers. ChatGPT. At first, it looks like another AI help tool like AI art generators, video generators, or even a glorified AI content generator, and many people will use the tool for these purposes. But one affiliate marketer and web marketer who has been in business for over 23 years, say there is a different approach that some people will use to make lots of money online during this revolutionary change in how we work and live in the online world. Number 5. Construct software tools. ChatGPT can construct software tools, even simple ones. The user does not need to be familiar with programming or coding. Simply tell ChatGPT what they want, and it will build it for them. Managing a profitable construction business without digital solutions is like swimming in mud. You can do it, but it takes all your energy. And why? Let technology deal with mundane tasks. Spend more time enjoying your work and use data to strengthen your results. Here are the 15 best construction management software tools. See the reviews and find the best fit for you. Number 6. Write product descriptions and reviews. You may also make additional money by monetizing the product reviews ChatGPT has already published, no matter the size of your online store. Product descriptions play a key role in your e-commerce business. Effective product descriptions can possibly lure potential customers. Good product descriptions can potentially influence a purchase decision. Great product descriptions can ultimately help improve conversion rates and increase sales, as well as boost your visibility and SEO on paid channels. The technical details, including the use of power words and A/B tests, can be the difference between a potential buyer on your e-commerce website and those customers shopping at a competitor with similar products. Business owners, marketers, and copywriters all know the importance of writing product descriptions. But what's the best way to help reach your target audience? Number 7. Copywriting. ChatGPT can write your copy for you as well, and you may use ChatGPT to produce quality copies for your customers. Advertising your products and services doesn't always get you the results you need. Most of the time, it's because the words on your website, in your marketing emails, or on your social media platforms are poorly written or ineffective at getting people to take the final step of making a purchase. This is a huge factor for success in any industry. Whether you sell DIY home tools or offer insurance services, the way your written content is formulated matters more than you think. Enter copywriting. It's a fancy word for writing that you use in marketing strategies to improve sales and conversions. Number 8. Case studies. Just like a story, a case study normally has an introduction, the main body, and a conclusion. Additionally, ChatGPT can write case studies for you, and you may utilize them to earn money online. A case study is an in-depth study of one person, group, or event. In a case study, nearly every aspect of the subject's life and history is analyzed to seek patterns and causes of behavior. Case studies can be used in various fields, including psychology, medicine, education, anthropology, political science, and social work. Number 9. Debugging of code. ChatGPT can read, write, and even debug code. Any code you want to be debugged can be requested, and it will be done right away with all the information presented to you. It can read and write codes. The words bug and debugging in software are popularly attributed to Admiral Grace Hopper. A true legend, she wrote the first compiler that ever existed. In the 1940s, while she was working on a computer being developed for the U.S. Navy at Harvard University, her associates discovered a moth, an actual insect, stuck in a relay that crashed the computer. When fixing this problem, she remarked that they were debugging the system. If you're a fan of etymology, though, you might be interested in the fact that the word debugging seems to have been used as a term in aeronautics before entering the world of computers. And apparently there's some kind of proof that even Thomas Edison used it in the sense of technical error back in 1878. But that's not the point of this article. The point is that debugging is a core part of software development. It has always been, and it probably always will be. Thankfully, however, the cases where we need to remove actual insects from computers are rather rare now. Number 10. Affiliate marketing on Quora. Using ChatGPT, users can answer a lot of questions on the site, which will increase traffic to their website and possibly lead to more sales of their affiliate products. Do let us know in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video and want to hear from us again, be sure to hit that subscribe button before you go.